How to fix connection problem or invalid MMI code on your dialer. What's up everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys if you are facing this connection problem or invalid code problem. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is just open your phone's dialer, and here you want to check if your call forwarding is active or not. In order to do that, just tap and dial in this code right here. It's hash hash and then 21 then 1 hash. So once you do this, give it a quick dial, and as you can see, MMI code started, and it says call forwarding. It will show what is the call forwarding status in your phone. Once you check this, before we go any further, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on new updates. Alright, so the next thing that you can do to fix this problem is call asterisk 413, and then once you do this, you can give it a quick call. So once you do this, your problem should be fixed. After you do this, just give your phone a quick restart and then your problem should be fixed. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.